Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to answer the question of how you can make saplings from the fruit inside of Pam's HarvestCraft 2 Trees Edition. So inside this mod, when you're playing, you'll notice there's a lot of these trees that kind of look like this, where they're kind of squat and they have 8 of some kind of fruit or other similar spice that grows underneath of them. And you can walk up, you can right click them, and you can pick those fruits. And then when you've picked them, the original growing node will start back over from 0 and slowly grow more fruit. But unfortunately, despite you maybe wanting to have some of these fruits as a tree somewhere, these trees will randomly spawn somewhere where you don't want them, and you're going to have to cut them down to make room for other stuff. So normally, depending on the mod, you would just slap these in your crafting box, and it would give you a seed, but not the Pam's HarvestCraft. So what you need is 8 of whatever fruit or nutmeg-like seasoning that you get off of the tree, and then you need some kind of sapling. I've just got a fir sapling. Depending on the mod, the modded saplings will work, or the default saplings from Minecraft will work. And all you gotta do is open up a crafting bench, slap a sapling in one of the corners, and then put 8 of the fruit in the rest of the slots, and then there you have a sapling of that variety. You could, in theory, farm this tree and its offspring quite a few times and grow yourself an orchard. I'm doing this to eventually grow an orchard, but I need room for my house. So I'm going to be chopping these down and storing their replacements inside of this box where I've got some spare saplings in order to make some of these other varieties as well. If you're curious where some of these different trees spawn, some of these trees spawn in particular biomes, I recommend going on to their wiki and reading all about that. There's like maple saplings, and then they've got ones for nutmeg and gooseberries, even though normally in real life those are a bush. All of those have some kind of tree out there. Go grab them, and then you can very easily make yourself a massive orchard of every kind of tree. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a look at how to use Pam's HarvestCraft 2 trees to make saplings. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.